Welcome to our Table for Two, a community inspiring the joy of cooking for two and helping you find the courage to try something new. I love college football. Go Blue! I made a batch of my favorite game time sandwiches, Runzas. So let's get started.
First, let's make the dough. We're going to mix the water, the sweetened condensed milk, oil, sugar, and egg in a large glass measuring cup that holds about 2 to 4 cups of liquid. In the bowl of a standing mixer fitted with a dough hook, mix in the flour, the yeast, and the salt. With the mixer on low, slowly add the water mixture. After the dough comes together, we're looking to see that the flour is all mixed in. Increase that speed to about medium and mix until shiny and smooth. This should take about 4 to 6 minutes. With floured hands, turn the dough out onto a heavily floured work surface. Shape the dough into a ball and place in a greased bowl. Cover that bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest until it's doubled in size. For the filling, in a large skillet, add the beef and cook until it's just beginning to brown. Stir in the Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion salt, oregano, basil, and red pepper flakes. Transfer the beef to a paper towel-lined plate. Add onion and cook it just until it's softened. Now let's toss in the cabbage until it's just beginning to wilt. Return the beef to the pan and season with a little bit of salt and pepper and the hot sauce. First, we're going to divide the dough into 8 equal pieces, forming 8 small balls. Working on a lightly floured work surface, we're going to roll each of the pieces of dough into a 7-inch circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Place one dough round in a deep cereal bowl and top with 1 slice of cheese, spoon in some filling, and pinch the edges of the dough together to form a bun. Transfer the bun, seam side down, to a prepared baking sheet. Let's bake the buns until they're golden brown. This will take about 20 minutes. Brush the buns with melted butter, and they're ready to serve. Don't forget the ketchup. Yum! Enjoy this game day favorite.